Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to share how you can get clients for your GoHighLevel SaaS completely free and on autopilot. No matter if you're just starting out or you're looking to grow your existing SaaS business, this method will help you attract customers without spending a dime on ads or outreach. But before we dive into the details, let me give you a special offer. Normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link in the description below, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which is going to walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description below. Just click the first link to find all of the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in and explore how you can use content to turn viewers into loyal clients. If you're like most GoHighLevel SaaS owners, your first instinct might be to rely on traditional methods like cold emails or cold messages to find clients. While these methods can work, they're time-consuming and often have limited success rates. What if, instead of chasing clients, you could create a system where clients come to you? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today, leveraging content to attract customers on Autopilot. Now, this strategy has worked wonders for me, generating hundreds of referrals, thousands of clicks, and steady sales, all within a few months of starting. So let me show you how you can do it too. The idea is simple. Create content that solves the problems your SaaS addresses. Think about it. When people search for solutions on platforms like YouTube or Google, they're looking for answers. If your SaaS can provide those answers, you are already halfway to converting them into paying customers. Yet most GoHighLevel SaaS owners are not taking advantage of this opportunity, leaving a huge gap in the market for you to fill. The first step is to identify the specific problem that your SaaS addresses. For instance, let's say that your GoHighLevel SaaS helps users send bulk messages on X or Twitter. This is your unique selling point. Now think about the kinds of questions that people might have related to this feature. They might search things like how to send bulk messages on X or best software for bulk messages on X. Now, these are your potential video topics. Before you create content, it's crucial to validate your video ideas to ensure there's demand and low competition. Use tools like vidIQ extension or TubeBuddy to research keywords. For example, if you search for how to send bulk messages on X, vidIQ can show you the overall score for this keyword, including search volume and competition. Look for keywords with high demand and low competition. This ensures that your video has a higher chance of ranking in search results and reaching your target audience. Now, once you've validated your video idea, it's time to start creating. Think of your content as a helpful guide that addresses the challenges that your audience is trying to solve. For example, if your SaaS helps users send bulk messages on X, create a video titled How to Send Bulk Messages on X using your SaaS name. In this video, explain the problem, demonstrate how your SaaS solves it, and include a clear call to action inviting viewers to try your software. Consistency is key here. Aim to create at least 4 search-based videos per week. These are videos designed around keywords that people are actively searching for. The more content that you create, the greater your chances of reaching potential customers from different angles. One of the biggest advantages of this strategy is that YouTube and similar platforms have relatively low competition in the GoHighLevel SaaS niche. Unlike other crowded markets, very few SaaS owners are using content marketing effectively. Now, this gives you a significant edge. By consistently posting valuable and targeted content, you can dominate search results for your niche and attract a steady stream of clients. Content marketing is not an overnight solution. It takes time to build momentum, but the results are well worth the effort. As your videos start to gain views and rank higher in search results, you'll notice the results. More views lead to more engagement, which in in turn boosts your video's visibility and attracts even more clients. Be patient and keep creating content. Over time, your efforts will pay off in the form of consistent referrals and sales. So to give some perspective, I've used this exact strategy to generate hundreds of referrals and thousands of clicks for SaaS products that I've promoted. By focusing on solving specific problems through content, I've been able to grow my customer base without spending a single dollar on ads. Now, this method works, and you can achieve similar results by following the steps that I've showed you in this video. While content marketing is a powerful tool, it doesn't mean that you should completely abandon traditional methods like cold emails or messages. These methods can still be effective, especially when used in conjunction with your content strategy. The key is to use different methods and let content marketing gradually bring in results without much extra effort. No matter if you're just starting out or you're looking to grow your existing SaaS business, this method will help you attract customers without spending a dime on ads or outreach. That's it for this video, and I hope that you found it helpful. If you'd like to sign up for Go High Level, you can use my affiliate link in the description below. Instead of the usual 14-day trial, my link is going to give you a full 30 days to try it out for free. As a bonus, you're going to get access to my Go High Level Jumpstart course to help you set up your business during those 30 days. Go High Level's features can be overwhelming, but my course focuses on what truly matters to help you start making money right away. Plus, you're going to receive over $900 worth of high-quality Notion templates for free, including the Business Hub and the Finance Hub. Just click the link in the description below to learn more and claim your bonuses. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.